just made lemon bars for our cookie exchange tomorrow.
I don't bake, you guys know that, but Mom makes really good lemon bars, so I'm like, okay, let's go on it together, we'll make lemon bars. And she told me what we needed, and I'm like, I've got flour. Doesn't everybody have flour? Everybody has flour. Yeah, I don't have flour. So we're in the process of making it and realize no flour. We had to go borrow some from the neighbors. Here are the lemon bars just out of the oven. I have no idea what they're supposed to look like because when I see them, they're usually covered with powdered sugar. Oh, look, here's a preview of what's coming later. So we're sitting on our back deck and watching the pretty sunset, and here's a boat that is headed to the starting point, and later in a little bit you guys will get to see the full boat parade, but let's see if we can show you a preview. Too dark.
Turn your light on.
Dark. I don't know how to.
You know how to turn your light on?
Shenanilynns.
Hi, Shenanilynns.
Hi, Shenanilynns.
Hi, Shenanilynns.
Hi, Shenanilynns.
Merry Christmas, Shenanilynns.
Hey, Shenanilynns.
Hey, Shenanilynns.
Hi, Shenanilynns. Hi, Shenanilynns. Woo!
What's up, Shenanilynns? Sup? Wait.
Shenanilynns!
This is the start of the boat parade. Dozens of decorated boats and crazy neighbors. You're on video, kiddo. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can you say Shenanilynns?
Shenanilynns.
Woo! Say it again, Shenanilynns.
Shenanilynns.
Really?
Haley's taking a nap. No?
Yes. Is Sammy working?
She is. We're at Haley's house and we're doing a cookie exchange. And here's Sky. Is she naughty or nice? Oh, look at her tail's wagging. She's like, I know you're talking about me. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
Oh, okay. And there's a start of the cookies.
In the go, it's like yes. Instead of taking a bunch of something garbage,
I gave some guy cookies.
Elderly man.
Oh, that's not nice. He gave him cookies just because. Because we're nice.
Just
Look it.
New place.
And he said, what kind are they? And I was like, a mixture. Ooh. Here, here, here. Misty, you're so cute.
It's not a picture. It's our anniversary. Cheers. Crab cakes.
Mama brought some Chipotle. Hey! You're wearing your necklace.
I am. I'm wearing my FabFitFun necklace, you guys.
I just filmed a video that I really want to try and get up as soon as possible. I surprised Mom by making the Blue Apron meal all by myself while she was napping. And we have sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, panko crusted chicken that's has some spices in it, and this is a maple sauce. Yay!
Thank you for letting me nap and making me chicken.
So Mom.
What?
I'm talking to you, I said Mom.
What?
So rate the first meal we had.
9. So I'm gonna give this one an 8. Okay, bye.
You want this?
Boo!
Scare me, you little shit.
Dinner time! Dinner. Why are you wearing sunglasses inside?
Because I was outside.
Alright, well we got some Christmas presents, so we were wrapping them up. She went to lunch with her friend, and I went to lunch with my friend, and it was fun. Was your lunch fun?
My lunch was fun.
I did a face mask, clearly. I had Orange Theory today. It was really hard, but it was okay. It's fine. Like, it's fine. We're going to birthday dinner because it's Mom's birthday, it's Nana's birthday, and it's Papa's birthday, and it's Poo-Poo's birthday, all within, like, this whole month. Like, they all have birthdays in December. So we're doing one collective birthday dinner. Hi! Nana, say hi.
Hello.
We're getting our nails done.
Say hi.
Hi. You see my smile?
Hi. We're at the same place that they went to their anniversary dinner. Yum.